Okay, we're just finishing up here. We got the doors put on, we've got the handles put on, we've got the new drawers put in, and we've got the new rollouts put on. So let me open up one of these doors for you to see exactly what we did. Now this customer still has a little bit of painting to do, but we have now taken out the piece that was in the middle, and we now have a rollout right here. And I made it so that the customer still has accessibility in this corner. And before there was a divider in the middle here, we now have one bigger drawer for more storage, as you can see. And along on this other side here, I'll close this, close the doors. Okay, let them close on their own, they're soft close. Okay, then on the other side here, folks, we did the same thing. We put two doors in, we took out this middle style here, and now we have one rollout on the bottom. The shelf still sits over top of here for the storage. They can still get into their corner because they didn't want to lose these top drawers. This is the whole thing that we decided upon. They didn't want a lazy Susie. They still want accessibility to the top, so they have their drawers. There was a style in the middle here, the piece that runs up and down. And now we incorporated one larger drawer, as you can see. So I have more storage in the center. And that's about it, folks. That's what we did here. And then we replaced all the doors with new doors. And the customer has a little bit of painting to do on each side. So we would classify this kitchen as a redoor. The customer painted the door frame, or the frame, to a color match of the door itself. And then we put the new doors on. So I thank you for watching, and we'll talk to you again.